Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for watching this video. So we are starting new batch on business analyst very soon. Please contact this number for course enrollment. And the topic for today is what are the top four high paid domains that are exist in the market. So I would say was healthcare, banking and insurance and telecom. These four are the top and huge openings for a business analyst that are available in the market, not only in the India market, even in the abroad countries like UK, USA. There are so much of demand for these domains. So let's get into deep explanation on each one of the domain. So first of all, I would advise anyone to become a business analyst. I would suggest to build up any one of the domain knowledge. And that too, out of these four, if you consider, it will be great added advantage to your portfolio because most of the openings you will see in the market from this domain. So the companies were expecting the domain knowledge experience from the business analyst so that they can contribute better in the work environment. So, so yeah, first of all, let's go with the healthcare. So healthcare is evolving since ages, and in the future also it will be in huge demand. So why means because there are so many projects that are in the IT sector we're building from the healthcare domain. So not only in the India market, especially in the US market and UK and the abroad countries, most of the openings will be business analyst on healthcare. You can even do research. There are huge openings for healthcare business analyst in the abroad countries. So the companies were ready to pay huge, lucrative pay for the one who possess a knowledge or experience on healthcare domain. So not only in the abroad countries, even in the Indian market, there are so many openings where available on healthcare domain business analyst. You can even cross check in the Naukri and LinkedIn as well. So yeah, so we are going to train you on healthcare, becoming an expertise on healthcare domain with the business analyst roles and responsibilities and skill set. So in which we in healthcare you need to mostly focus and build up a domain knowledge on core factors like RCM flow. You need to understand what is RCM, revenue cycle management, and healthcare workflows and clinical process and terminologies. And you need to be well versed with the EHR and EMR systems, and you need to be well versed with the HIPAA and healthcare compliance. So this is very important, and you need to know data analysis and reporting. So these are very crucial. I don't limit anyone to learn only this, but these are very important skills or most asked questions, and business analyst will be working on this in the work environment. Okay, this is related to healthcare. And let's come to banking. So after healthcare, there is so many calls for a business analyst on banking. So this banking also widely evolving since so many years, and it will be there for sure in the future as well. So this banking also very much in demand in the market, and especially for business analyst, there are so many openings in the market. So especially if you're planning to build up a domain knowledge on banking, you need to be focus on the core banking concepts like payments, loans, deposit, credit cards, and you need to be good at KYC and AML, anti-money laundering, and you need to be risk and compliance and regulatory requirements, stakeholder management. So all these you need to be well versed in case if you are planning to become a banking business analyst, and the companies are ready to pay huge package for the employees who were having a an experience on banking. Your pay will be almost equivalent to the one who getting in the IT industry from developer point of view. I'm speaking. So developers are get huge pay right in the IT sector because they always write codes. They write code, and they'll be more focusing on the system point of view. So if you're having a thorough knowledge on domains, the companies are ready to pay huge pay. In fact, equivalent to what the developers are getting, or more than that, more than what they are earning also, the companies are ready to pay. So the domain knowledge is very important. Okay. So second and the third one I would say was insurance. Insurance also one of the popular domain. So most of the openings will be on business analyst, even in insurance with the domain as well. So here the key skills or concepts I would advise anyone is planning to learn insurance domain. So you need to be thorough with the policy lifecycle management, claim processing workflows, underwriting concepts, risk assessment basics, regulatory and compliance knowledge. And yeah, these are some of the very crucial concepts I would say, especially if someone was planning to become business analyst on insurance domain. Okay, so yeah, third most popular domain for a business analyst, I would say, was insurance. And the fourth one was telecom. So telecom also, like it has been used by many companies. There are many companies who are building their own projects using this telecom domain. So yeah, you will also find openings on business analyst on telecom as well across all over the world. So in case if you're planning to become telecom business analyst, or if you're planning to build up a domain knowledge on telecom, so uh, these are the top concepts I would advise you to be well versed. One is telecom business process, next OSS or BSS systems, order management and billing, and network basics, 4G and 5G provisioning. So guys, this telecom means it's more of focusing on this, how it works, Wi-Fi, like Ethernet, all this kind of related stuff will be where we will be seeing in the telecom domain. So out of these, anyone who was in the state of confusion, which domain I would go with. So for those people, for especially those who are in the abroad countries, I would suggest you to learn healthcare domain with the business analyst. And even in the those who are working in the those who are planning to become business analyst from the Indian base. So even though for them also, I would suggest strongly to learn domain knowledge and healthcare first as a priority, or else banking. Out of these two, you can choose any one of the domain for the Indian base. But for abroad base, I would suggest strongly to go with healthcare. For Indian base business analyst, I would urge anyone. I would suggest you can consider any one of the domain. You will have huge openings for sure. And we already made an introductory part explaining about these two domains. So you can watch that domains, we can watch that video in order to understand what is exactly healthcare and banking, what are the terminologies we use in the work environment. You will come to know for sure. So yes, I hope you like the video. So please approach if you are someone who was planning to become business analyst with the domain knowledge. So we are there to assist you and support you. Thank you and have a great day.